Good day, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So you all know that the VAT increase in South Africa has been scrapped. It seems like both the DA and the EFF for once actually won the court case regarding the VAT, and the VAT increase will not continue. But now both parties, both the EFF and the DA, are now celebrating because they are now looking out for South Africans. Well, to be very honest with you, I think it's fantastic that the government of national unity is actually not working. What I mean with this is, in the past we've had the ANC that had majority rule, which means that regardless of policy or regulations, they can just push whatever they want, they can push it through. And they've been doing this for more than 30 years, where they have decided what legislation, what acts, what regulations can be put into place. Now, a lot of these regulations are extremely detrimental to South Africa, South Africans and the South African economy. And we've seen some of these regulations chasing business away. We've seen some of these regulations chasing investments away. It's had a major brain drain in South Africa as well. And it's led to crime, it's led to poverty, it's led to infrastructure collapse. All of these regulations are sometimes not good for South Africa and South Africans. So if the government of national unity can actually not get to an agreements, because now everything has to be decided by a couple of political parties. Not just one political party, but a couple of political parties. And as long as there's infighting within the government of national unity, as long as they cannot decide on certain matters, regulations, legislation, they cannot pass it. And this is extremely good for South Africa and South Africans, because what we need for the government is to sit still and shut up. That is what we need them to do. We need them to stop putting regulations and legislation into place that is actually harming South Africans and South Africa. So a government of national unity that is stagnant, that is making no progress in decision making, is absolute fantastic for South Africa. So I hope this government of national unity continues, and I hope that they quibble and fight within Parliament about legislation and acts and regulations, because this will actually just for once give South Africans a little bit of a breather, because the ANC making regulations and legislation has been so bad for us. It has proven it's not good. The more you want to regulate things, the more laws you want to introduce, the more strain you put on South Africa. And then the second matter is I see the EFF, because the budget now doesn't it doesn't balance. The EFF have now decided, or have said, that the government needs to enact an apartheid tax. So everybody that benefited from apartheid, which is according to them only white people, must now suddenly pay a apartheid tax. Now I would love to see, because I know of a couple of parliament members that actually benefited from apartheid. The current president is one of them that benefited during the 80s when he started COSATU, being one of the richest men in South Africa and maybe even Africa. So this legislation, again, they're just talking about it, but if they cannot agree upon it, nothing is going to happen. So let's hope that the government of national unity stays stagnant, that they cannot pass anything. It will actually give South Africans a bit of a breather, because yes, these parliament members just need to sit in the corner and shut the fuck up, because then South Africa would just boo. This is South African Prepper. God bless. Please like, share and subscribe, and enjoy your weekend.